It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but breast cancer is not limited to women. Men can also develop it. Although it's rare, male breast cancer account for about 1% of all breast cancer cases. So let's get into it. Yes, you heard right. Men, we can also develop breast cancer as well. And just the same as some of the female risk factors, the male risk factors are age, an increased risk with age as well, family history of breast cancer, hormonal factors, radiation therapy to the chest, and also liver disease. These are some risk factors that you have to look out for. Some years ago, I remember I did a mammogram. Yes, I did. My small little chest had to be forced on the machine to get a mammogram because what I had was I felt like lump within my left breast area. And so I didn't want to take any chances. And so I asked to be screened for breast cancer. Thankfully, there was none. And so just like the women who is seeking treatment for breast cancer, the treatment are the same for the males, right? You may do hormone therapy, you may do chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and also you may just want to do surgery. So treatment options are very much the same. So if you've been diagnosed with breast cancer, don't worry, try not to worry, right? Because the prognosis for male breast cancer depends on a number of factors, such as the stages of the cancer, the type of treatment, and your overall health, right? And so it is important to bear in mind that the 5 year survival rate for men with localized breast cancer is about 96%, while the overall 5 year survival rate is about 84%. So these are things that you can take into consideration. Gentlemen, hear me out. We are not expected to have breast cancer. And so, usually, by the time it's detected, it's already in the advanced stages. So, if you meet any of these risk factors, it is important that you go in to get checked because early detection is important, right? So, men, be aware of the symptom, be aware of these factors. And if you have a family history of women that have contracted breast cancer, you may want to consider yourself getting checked. And I am Damon, the Executive Director for Healing with Hope Corporation, and together we will be healing our communities.